Kibor Penyat District East Khasi Hills sapok ke Jingilamu Deputy Commissioner wa Abilash Beranwal. Kin sedang Pynlong ya ke Special Intensive Revision SIR naduk kelaipo trik ujiliau hadok ke arp kendai trik unaitung ban pensisha bat penkuat igitup electoral roll habarok ki constituency. Barok lang Syihajar arpu wengut ki booth level officer BLO kilik Rung caman ki Iing bansa miki self enumeration form ki belada pendap lupa nak bentai kinok tak vote nak ketup kerteng kesenam arhajar arpusan. Kebasyong nongrem halor ka comprehensive revision bakat do jong kesenam arhajar san. Kipat ba kim dan kam man IT ya ki kot kislah ndre ki kap badan kam labatha igi BLO ban pediang ya kanu kanu kot pensisha kentup ya ki certificate nigi balang lani kirang ba shnong. Bat karai ke bakado kan chong ha electoral registration officer. Hadin kan jinglum jingtip an sa ai shibnai ke por ban pediang ya ki claims but objections shwa ban penmi ka final electoral roll ha ka nyutri urisau arhajar arpun rio. Kipat ba akilaru ban pendap ka form lang baga website jong election commission kari na ban phone sha ki BLO lane u number yarap iwei khandai san not lane ki number yarap jong ki bor penyat district ki belong not lai hendriu sau arsan not iwei arsan san but not lai hendriu sau arsan not iwei ar pra. Lekan tu ki samla ki bakat pras nam kerta ki ba empat dan ke kerteng bakin pendap ke form 6. Pala pensyai bakin ke SIR ke datang ke bentak itu ki beladan lupa megalaya kat bagi wei buan nabar ke jelak ki haban pendap ke form 8. Ki kerteng ki belak ban syaweng ki long jong gitu ki belak kelak no ki bakin ria asnong ki badan arsian ke kerteng lani ki bam de ki nong syong shnong ki badai hok. Ban penting kena bagajing tray kan ya klaim kajing bat ban kentu kajing tray lang jong ki pat ba klaim kajing syap tiang. Ki bor penyat distrik ki la Pynlong bon teli kajing alang berkirang ba shnong ban pensyai halor kan kajing temu.
Across all the constituencies of East Khasi Hills as a part of the special intensive revision exercise of the Honorable Election Commission of India. The house-to-house visit will continue for 1 month from 30th of June till 29th of July, during which our BLOs will go to every house and will distribute the self-enumeration form to every registered elector of 2005 electoral roll. And the message and the request to all the electors through this press conference is to take this exercise very seriously and simultaneously to not be afraid of this exercise at all. As has been stated by Honorable Election Commission of India, the idea is to include and not to exclude, and this is a process of enumeration of the existing voters only. The self-enumeration form has to be duly filled and submitted to the BLOs, and thereafter there will be 1 month for filing of any claims and objections. Thereafter, additional 1 month will be taken by all the EROs to decide on those claims and objections, and finally we'll have our final electoral roll published on 7th of October 2026. The idea of SIR, as has been stated by Honorable Election Commission of India, is to have a clean, error-free and accurate electoral roll. So basically the baseline electoral roll that has been taken across the India is 2005 electoral roll, because that was the last time when comprehensive revision of the electoral roll was undertaken by ECI.
So what are the documents after the 2005? What are the documents required?
So as at the enumeration stage, no documents are required. The electors are only supposed to deposit their properly filled self-enumeration form. That is all that is required at the stage of the enumeration. We expect that an overwhelming majority of electors will be handled through their enumeration forms only. In cases of a small fraction of voters where additional clarification will be required by the BLOs, the electors will be informed. They will be given time to submit additional documents, which is there is a list of indicative documents by the ECI, a list of 11 documents, but that is not exhaustive. We have directed our BLOs that they should collect every document that is being submitted by the electors, and simultaneously whatever the document, whether it is a church certificate, whether it is a headman certificate, every document will be collected, and the decision to basically decision on the fate of the elector will be taken by the ERO, not only on the basis of the 11 indicative documents, but through an overall through an overall understanding of on the basis of all the documents which have been submitted.
What about those who are not residing now? They have already the registered voters here, but they have gone out.
So for them it is not a problem at all. The Election Commission of India has also allowed for online filling of the self-enumeration form through the ECI net website. Simultaneously, they can always approach our BLOs for any additional help as well. Through phone number, they can always reach our helplines as well. Apart from the 1950 helpline of Honorable Election Commission of India, from District Administration also we have issued 2 helpline numbers, which is 0364 250 1250 and 2501 228.
So what about those first time voters here who have not had the card and
So that is also one part, that is also one objective of the SIR, that we want to make sure that everyone who is an eligible voter, 18 plus, they should be included.
they should, but they still doesn't have the
So that's okay, they can always submit their Form 6 as well, and during the house-to-house verification also, it will be found out by the BLOs that these have become elector voters. They are not really present in the 2005 electoral roll, as they have just become eligible, and they will also be included. As I said, the objective is to include and not to exclude.